whoa. Fascinated. I just learned that word the other day. We love a new vocabulary word. I didn't need another lamp. I know.
But you know what else? I don't give a
I need to exfoliate my lips. Thank you and good night. What's it called?
If you know, you know. Stop playing. Say sure, God.
And no one will know it's hollow.
Take advantage, man. Take advantage.
That reach. Cause what? It made me nervous.
Come on, let's pray about this.
Delicious. And was, I make it my business.
And business is good.
Welcome back to March Madness.
We're ballin' like the March Madness.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, one thing's for certain, two things for sure. Andrea's gonna find a sale. I make it my business.
And business is good.
Okay. I thrifted some things and wanted to share, so let's hop in. First up is wall art. I've done all the art in my home, including the one behind me, but occasionally I'll come across a piece that I'm dying to have and want to add to my collection. I still regret not buying this Jake Arnold piece that I saw at the Crate & Barrel outlet. It was so amazing, but so expensive, and at the time I couldn't justify the price. That dang buyer's remorse. And of course, now that I know I actually want the piece, it's completely sold out. Can't find it in store. I haven't seen it in the outlet. Ugh, it's tragic. So I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, just anywhere secondhand that I can buy the piece in case somebody wants to get rid of it. Haven't found that, but I found this. I came across this listing and I was a little nervous because the picture was so, I don't know if they tweaked the brightness on their photo or if it was the lighting in their home, but the painting looked way darker than the one that's on the site. And it made me nervous. But I put in an offer anyway and just hoped it was less like this and more like this.
Come on, let's pray about this. Come on.
And was so dope. This is actually from the collaboration ATHENA Calderone had with Crate & Barrel. And you know, when they get together, it's magic. All the pieces, gorgeous. Now, I didn't know at the time, but this isn't just a regular like canvas painting. This is like wood, like a plank of wood, and then it has this artwork right here. I guess I would have known if I read the description online because it is still available. But I mean, just so good. Now, like I said, this is still available online, but at the $399 price tag. Yeah. It's crazy. $399. But I will say I can see why it's $399 because it's very sturdy and of course very beautiful. Did I pay $399? No. The person on Facebook Marketplace had this listed at $100 and I was gonna do $80. I was gonna do $80, but then I was thinking, that might sound a little bit too low, so I bumped it to $85 and they accepted. I am like so excited, y'all. It looks good on camera. It does look good on camera, but it looks even better in person. Y'all know I am a sucker for deep color variation, kind of that rustic vibe, but it's still refined and kind of modern with the shape. This little cutout, oh wait, sheesh. This little cutout detail right here is just amazing to me. It really makes the piece, and it's not too big where it'll overwhelm a space, but it's not too small where it'll be like, why is that there? You know what I'm saying? So I think I want to put this on the other side of the wall here in my filming room until I find a more permanent space. I couldn't pass up the deal. Like $85 versus $399. That's like, what's that, like $315 in savings? Insane. It's actually more than that if you add the taxes. Yeah. She won. So like I said, that art was from the collaboration Athena Calderone did with Crate & Barrel. And with this next piece, we're gonna piggyback. It wasn't really thrifted, if you will. I didn't find it on like Facebook Marketplace, anywhere secondhand or anything like that. I got it on Crate & Barrel's site, but it was on sale. Like on sale. And I shared it about 2 months ago when I got it, so you guys can have a chance to purchase as well. I'm not gonna open it because I already put it back in the box. So I'm just gonna share the stock photos. It is this, I think it's called the Rodin floor candle holder. Amazing. I love a floor lamp. I love a candle holder, and I thought this would be, this is like the best of both worlds. And I don't have any, well, no, that's a lie. I bought some floor candle holders a while back from Home Goods, but I haven't used those yet. Where are those? I gotta look at my stash because I haven't seen those in a while. Anyway, this piece is amazing. It holds 2 taper candles, and I just think it looks so stunning when it's up. Lone Fox had it in his bedroom. I love it there. I love how Athena Calderone had it staged in her home. It just looks amazing everywhere, and I'm so excited that I got my hands on it at such a good price. I got it for $75. I think it was normally $150, somewhere around there. But yeah, $75, 50% off. Couldn't resist. It has tripod feet, which you guys know I think is delicious. She's iron, so she's very sturdy. I'm not worried about her tipping over. Like I said, I have it in a box right now because I haven't found the perfect spot to put it just yet. But I have it for when I need it. And yeah, I kind of want to find like flameless taper candle holders that look realistic to put in there, so I won't have to keep re-upping my taper candle inventory. But yeah, she's dreamy. Next up is another candle holder, and I know I have a million. I know.
But you know what else? I don't give a
for the obvious reasons. So there's this thrift slash antique slash everything, because you can find everything in there. No, for real, they have everything in there, new, old, everything in between. It's just great. I need to exfoliate my lips. But it's a thrift market, and it's really close to me. I finally went and I found this guy, and I'm just so in love. I want to go again, and I might bring y'all with me next time because it's really an experience. There's so much to look at. It can kind of overstimulate you. I ain't gonna lie, like I had to break up my trips. I didn't go through the whole place in one day. I went the next day and finished up my route. But yeah, I have to go early one day, one weekend or something. Anyway, off that, I found this guy there, and it was only $22, which I thought was a mistake. Cause what? $22? I was like, is this supposed to be $220? Are y'all kidding? Is this a joke? I thought it was a typo. I thought it was supposed to be like $220 because this really looks like a piece you would see in like Gallery Half or somewhere high end like that. But no, they rang it up and it was $22. So I was like, thank you and good night. It has these little tripod feet, which you guys know, like I said with the other piece, I just love that. And it's patinated. I just learned that word the other day. Yes, patinated. We love a new vocabulary word. I usually say something has patina, but I like it better as an adjective. So love that for me. So you see that green and brown from just time and oils from the hand, maybe some water. I love an old looking piece. Y'all know I love me some Lone Fox, and this looks like a piece that he would have in his home. Kind of brutalist, kind of mid-century modern, just all the things, the little curves. I love it, and it holds taper candles. So this was a steal, such a good deal. And yeah, love it. Next up is another Facebook Marketplace find, and it's a lamp. And I know I didn't need another lamp, but I needed another lamp, okay? Especially this one. So I saw this listing on Facebook Marketplace and fell in love with the shape of this lamp. It's like, it's so different, and the lamp really gives me that reach I've been looking for. That reach. I love a lamp that kind of leans over, and I don't really have, do I have? Besides my Zara home lamps that kind of angle towards wherever you want it to, I don't have a lamp that's like that, so I had to get it. It legit looks good everywhere, especially over some seating arrangement. Love that. I'm sitting here talking about the piece and I haven't even showed you. Hold please. This is kind of awkward, but just roll with me, okay? So this is her and I love it so much. Like I said, it leans over. I was thinking about putting it here in my filming room on one of the sides of the couch, probably on this side since it slopes down and it's lower over here. But I just think it's so good, y'all, and it's iron. I'm gonna show you this without breaking something. Hold on a second. It has, oh my gosh, this is so bad, but it has the little curvy feet, which I love, and it's a tripod, which, oh shoot. Tripod feet has been like a theme for this whole video. I love that for me, but she's iron. Did I already say she's iron? Well, she's iron, and she has like this little, I don't even know what you would call this. It's not a finial. Will it be? I don't know if I would call this a finial because it's not over the, maybe, I don't know. It has this little gold topper, which is so cute to me. Good little detail. And it came with this lampshade, but it's not the best. So I was either going to cover this with some different fabric and stick with this shape, or, whoa, too much going on. Or I was thinking I can use this lampshade that I got from H&M Home, which I love so much, that I've been on the hunt for the perfect base. And let's see if this will even work, because this, the way this is set up, this lampshade has like the little clamp thingy that goes over the light bulb, so I might have to kind of reconfigure. Oh, let me see. This might maybe do something like that. That could be dope. Or if I wanted more of an empire lampshade, I can go with this metal one. This is just a lampshade that was on the lamps I had from the Studio McGee collab with Target, and can kind of, I would probably have to get what's it called?
If you know, you know. Stop playing. Say, sure, God.
Lamp heart? I think that's what I'm thinking about, to go over this so this will fit. And then I don't have to go with black. I wouldn't want to keep this black. I would probably refinish this, maybe something a little bit more rustic, a little more texture to give it some visual interest. But yeah, this is her and she's just so good. I love it so much. Did I tell you the price? It was only $30. Yeah. So I had to get it. $30? Are we well? That's crazy. And last but not least, wait, come on now, you messing up my whole reveal. Ugh. Ugh. I got some books. Now this one was from Amazon and this one was, I guess you can say, thrifted. I got it on a secondhand website. So let's go with this one first, since this is like readily available. Like I said, it was on Amazon. I will link it for you down in the description box. And you're probably thinking, Amazon, that's not thrifted. No, not technically, but when you hear the price, it was thrifted, okay? I got this for $18, y'all. This thick book for $18. Now I will say, last time I looked, it was at $91. Like, they jacked the price back up, but they do flash sales, so I've seen it go back down to $18 twice from the $91 price. So you're just gonna have to stalk it, save it to your wish list, and check often, okay? Because I don't got a lot of y'all. I got it for $18. I'll show the receipts. So yeah, it is this book. It's called Absolut Architecture, a monograph by ABS, blah, blah, blah. I'll put the title up on the screen, but I just thought, first of all, the cover, okay, it's a warm gray, which you guys know I have been really into lately, and I love it because it comes with this slip cover or slip case, whatever you want to call it, which you can double the decor. You can put the real book on its side like normal. show the spine, you know, the standard. And then you can take the slip cover and just prop it up, kind of like how I have these books right here. And no one will know it's hollow, that it's not a real book. You know what I mean?
Take advantage, man. Take advantage.
Love that. This is also great if you don't want to put a lot of weight on a shelf. So yeah, like I said, this is amazing. It has some really good photos in here. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't see like a preview of a lot of the photos on Amazon. Sometimes they'll show you 10 or 12 pages of what the book looks like, but they didn't really give a good preview on the site. But I'll share some pictures here in this video of this book, and $18, you can't beat it. Like, so good. And I also love the little side details, like the text and how they have the page numbers up in the corners. I love little stuff like that. So that's that one. And the second one, like I said, I got it on a secondhand site. I don't even remember what the site was. I'll put it up on the screen, but I had to search like crazy for this one, like high, low, far and deep, or is it far and wide? All that. It was very hard to find. It's called Timeless Interiors and Renovations. And when I tell you, the inspo in this book is crazy, especially if you love mixing old and new like I do. This is a great guide. So I'll share a few of my favorite pictures or pages on this video, but if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend. Highly recommend. I know I haven't done a Shook by the Book video in a while, mainly because I don't know why I haven't done one in a while. It's crazy because I bought so many books in between my last video and now, but here are two you can add to your collection. Yeah, love those. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I'm so happy with the stuff I found that were kind of thrifted, kind of not, but kind of was. You know what I mean? So yeah, don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace, man. It's crazy. The stuff I find on there, insane. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.